Back to school makeup tutorial, all under 100 pesos lang. Hey there, Myra here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a back to school makeup tutorial using products that are all under 100 pesos. Ready ka na ba? Kasi ako excited na. So let's get started! Before anything else, we have to prep our face, and for that, I'm going to be using this EB Cosmetics Aqua Moisturizing Cream, and this is only 18 pesos. Yan, so murang-mura, bagay na bagay sa ating mga estudyante. And what I like about this moisturizer is that it's very light, perfect for everyday use and for daytime use. Ayan, now that we have prepped our face, it's time to put on our base. And for that, I will be using this Crayons BB Cream, okay, that I got from HBC. And guys, guess what? This is only 89 pesos. And this bottle contains this tube contains 25 ml of the product. So, murang-mura lang siya. Ayan. So, whenever I apply BB cream, I prefer spreading everything using my fingers. Kasi, gusto ko makuha talaga nung skin yung product before I proceed to blending it with other makeup tools. Okay, now that I'm done blending with my fingers, I'm just gonna quickly go over it with my buffing brush. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna read yung mga claims nila dito sa likod nung tube. Sabi dito, Crayons Beauty Balm with sun protection, conceals imperfections, smoothens and evens skin tone that gives you a fresh, bright, and radiant skin. So, naging brighter nga yung face ko. By the way, guys, if you're wondering, I got the shade Fair Lady. And dalawa lang kasi yung shade na nandun. So, the other one is a bit darker for me, so I got the lighter shade. And I'm just gonna quickly go through everything just to make sure, hanggang leeg, just to make sure everything is well blended. I'm just gonna wait for my BB cream to set. We're gonna do our eyebrows. And for the eyebrows, I found this EB Cleopatra. And this is only 75 pesos. Diba? Murang-mura. Girls, when you are using a pencil, okay, make sure na nakatasa siya, ha? Okay. So, this is what I'm going to do. Dahil ito ay intended for our students, back to school nga, diba? Okay. Ang gagawin natin, shading lang. We're just gonna go and fill in and shade our eyebrows. By the way, guys, I used the brush dito sa eyebrow pencil to spread out the product and to blend everything. Okay? Next is for our cheeks and our lips. Pag-isahin na natin, okay? I will be using this Careline Lip and Cheek Tint. And this is just, wait, here's the packaging. This is just 95 pesos. O, diba? Sulit na sulit. Okay, kasi guys, nung pinili ko talaga itong mga products na to, I was aiming for something that is very affordable. Kasi alam ko naman, yung mga estudyante, wala naman sila masyadong budget. Medyo maraming nilagay ko. Don't worry guys, because this is very blendable. And hindi siya kagaya ng ibang mga lip and cheek tint na pag nilagay mo, mag-sustain na siya kung saan mo siya nilagay. Ito, what I like about this, because this is parang jelly type mabilis siyang maganda siyang mag-glide and mabilis siyang i-blend. There. So, fresh-freshan lang. See? Okay. Parang gusto ko pang konti pa. Pat-pat para mas intense. Diba? Mukhang sinampal lang. Yan. And then, habang pinapatuyo natin yan, lagyan na rin natin yung lips. Okay. And mabango to, guys. Parang meron siyang amoy na cherry. Okay, so first layer, ganyan yung itsura niya. You can do it with just one layer. But for me, gusto ko mas pouty. Gusto ko mas red, so I'll do 2 layers. There. Yan. Tapos, hindi ko muna siya gagalawin. Hayaan ko siyang mag-stain dyan at hayaan ko siyang matuyo. And then, baka nagtataka kayo bakit hindi ko pa sineset yung face ko because I want the tint to be under the powder. For our powder to set everything in place, I'll be using this crayons pressed powder and it looks like this. Again, this is from HBC and I got this for 99 pesos. Ayan. So, the product looks like this. Meron siyang mirror over here. Malaki yung mirror niya. Maganda. And then, may sponge. Okay. So, ito yung gagamitin natin pang set ng ating whole makeup. By the way, guys, I got the shade Fair Lady. Parehas siya nung shade nung BB cream natin. Ayan. So, this is our look. You can do this, itong look na to, just as is. Or if you want to step it up a notch, we can use eyelash curlers to curl our lashes and then just put on clear mascara. Ayan. I love this look. Super dali lang gawin and fresh lang. Ayan. Honestly, I would even suggest this to my daughter because I have a teenager daughter already. And if ever she's going to start venturing into makeups and start to explore makeups, I would definitely recommend these products to her and recommend this look to her. I will be putting the list of all the products that I mentioned today down in the description box, including the prices. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to be updated on my upcoming videos. Marami pa tayong videos na gagawin na more tutorials, and also click the notification bell to be notified when I do upload. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!